Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we are playing a round of Phantom Forces. Let's get into this. If you guys are new to my channel, leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what you want me to play, your ID, and if you want me to friend you. My username is monkeyboy179, and my friend is penguin178. I friend fans all the time. Just yesterday, I friended 4 fans. Today, I plan on finding another 4 friends. Roblox, if you're watching this, please bring the friend limit up more. So, let's get into this. They've added their 1858 no army revolver, which I know better already. Yes! DR case key! You can open our DR case. Yay! Wood case key. Case key. Rare. Halloween case key. Open case, use key. M41. Sell this skin. Sell this skin. Open these 2 starter cases. Use key number 1. Use key number 2. Sell skins. Okay, let's go ahead deep. Today we are going to be using the AWS sniper rifle. Shout out to Stylus Series for a great game. If you guys want to play with me, friend me. I normally do from anywhere from 6 to 7 o'clock I do a video, and from 4:45 to 8 o'clock I do videos. So if you guys play with me then, you're probably going to end up in a video. I'll give you a shout out if you're a fan and you tell me. Hey. Hey, if you guys are trying not to kill me, shout out to Katie Games, shout out to Johnny Pan, shout out to Okaza, shout out to Big Dog Dog, shout out to John K, Vic 05, Coco Monkey D, Puppy Monkey, Cade the Frogger, for just being on my team. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I like the video. And if you guys know somebody that would really like this video, share it with somebody. Ow. What the fuck? Okay, so weapon loadout. Attachments. Barrel. Ballistic tracker. You almost buy that. Are you freaking kidding me? What in the world is wrong with this guy? Okay, I tried to get 20 kills this round. If you guys want me to play a different game, leave it down in the comments. You guys have been crushing this part of this channel. Keep it up. If you guys know somebody who would like the channel, tell them to subscribe. No! Yeah, let's go get our Dragonov back on. Weapon looted. DMR, Dragonov. We have a ballistic tracker on here, which is basically almost like an instant headshot aimer. Okay. G. Blow him up, blow him up, blow him up. Yeah. Let's go spawn back there. Goofy Duck Space Key. Are you kidding me? Okay, I should be leveling up with this round. I just need 1,000 XP more. You guys are gonna see me buying something in this round. Yeah, I'm gonna have so much credits. Okay, let's find somebody new to kill. Okay. No! Should have thrown a grenade into the hell. Oh, wait. Okay, go, 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 go. Run. Ow. Ow. What the heck? Where did you just come from? Okay, spawn in. Yes, I leveled up. Dragon of SVU. What is that? Gee. Blow them up. Blow somebody up. No! No! Why? Ah! 15 kills, 14 deaths. This is sucks. Okay, weapon loaded. I already have Dragon of SVU. Alright. Boy. Ah! Why? What the heck? Why? No! Why? I'm 2017. 20 kills. 20 kills, 17 deaths. I'm easy. I'm just talking about. Oh, come on, defeat. I don't even get -3. Oh, never mind.